Hi and welcome to this video. In this video, we will show you how to use the Nobi San feature. This powerful solution allows you to optimize the selling operations on the Shopee e-commerce platform. What aspects of your online business will Nobi San help you with? Shopee multi-shop chat management, product administration, as well as efficient store synchronization. Connect and manage multiple stores in a single platform. This video will guide you to how to log in to Nobi software using the Nobi San function, how to use the Nobi San features, dashboards Nobi San, Shopee Chat, purchase orders, products, mass delivery print, Nobi San setting, how to log in to Nobi software using the Nobi San function. After registering to open an account on the Nobi system, you use the account name and password you have registered to log into the system. At the main dashboard, click Nobi San in the left sidebar of the screen. In the Nobi San function, you can see 5 main items, including Dashboards Nobi San. This allows you to have a general view of the current operating situation of the multi-stores or a store. Shopee Chat. This allows you to connect to many shops on the same branch, perform chat operations, filter search conversations, and tag customers. Orders. Display all order information, order status to help users easily manage orders. Products. Support the feature of synchronizing products from the Shopee store with Nobi San, pairing Shopee inventory according to Nobi, creating new products, except for inventory when there is a pairing between Nobi and Shopee. Nobi San settings. Set up the features so that Nobi San works according to the settings. Step-by-step instructions for using Nobi San. Dashboards Nobi San. At the Nobi admin page, go to Nobi San, select Dashboards Nobi San. The interface will display. Dashboard Nobi San gathers and reports one or multiple stores' data on the Shopee platform. Some data should be considered, such as sales, completed orders, cancelled orders, orders that have not been sent, and unanswered messages. Shopee Chat. Multiple Shopee accounts can be merged. Shopee Connection Guide. At the Shopee Chat screen, to connect a store on Shopee, please follow these steps. Step 1. Click the button Connect Shopee. The login to the seller channel form will display after that. Here, enter your Shopee username and password. Step 2. After entering your username and password, the Shopee platform will send you an OT code. Please enter that OT code and click Confirm. Step 3. Set up Shopee Chat features. Turn on the feature you want to set up. Check to grant full permissions, then click Complete. Shopee Chat features. There are some outstanding features as filter conversation, conversation synchronization, assigning conversations to employees, user reports, block users, mark as unread. Actions in conversation. In the conversation, you can do the following actions: send a message by typing directly, send pictures, send emoticons, send a sample message, label customers. For customer tagging, you can create tags directly in the conversation function. Click Create Tag, then enter the tag name, choose color, click Add New. Close the tagging function. View orders. Nobi integrates the feature of viewing orders directly in the conversation with customers. At the conversation, you click on the Orders tab, which will display the customer's order. Purchase order. To track your order, go to Nobi San and select Purchase Orders. The interface will show order details, their status for thorough tracking. You can filter by store, by name, code, status, bill of lading code. In addition, Nobi San allows you to sync products. The remarkable features are excluding inventory at Nobi when applying for Shopee. When applying at Nobi, exclude Shopee. Products. To synchronize products and utilize product functions, at the main interface, go to Nobi San, then select Products. The interface will show you the product data is detailed. Product synchronization. Nobi products will be able to sync with products from various Shopee stores. Mass delivery print. Nobi San helps the shop to push orders or print orders in bulk on the system without having to work in each store. Nobi San provides a complete view of products waiting for delivery in the Waiting for Delivery interface, which you can simply manage using smart filters. Furthermore, to have delivery companies pick up your products or ship them to the post office, simply click Tools, then select the items you desire. Additionally, Nobi San supports printing orders with just a few clicks. Settings. At the main Nobi interface, to install Nobi San, go to Nobi San, and then click Nobi San Setting. General Settings. At the General Settings tab, you can set the features, New Message Notification, Message Notification Sound, Show Unread Conversation to the top. Select a staff member who can see the shop's conversations. After setting the features on or off, click Save to save the above settings. Quick Reply. Here you can set up subject usage for sample messages. When turned on, the interface will display the Add button. To add a new topic, follow these steps. Step 1. Click Add. Nobi will show you the form to add a sample message. Step 2. Enter information into the form, including name. Step 3. Decide on a color for the theme. Step 4. Click Add. Instructions for adding quick replies. Nobi San supports users to set up sample messages as follows. At the quick reply interface, please follow the steps. Step 1. Click Add. Step 2. Enter information in the form to add a new sample message in order to reply quickly, including a sample message name. Select a topic. Enter message content. Select an image. Step 3. Click Add. At the quick reply interface, to synchronize sample messages, the synchronization steps are performed as follows. Step 1. Click Sync, then the sync form is displayed. Step 2. Enter information into the form, including, choose a shop that you want to sync. Select the destination shop you want to sync. Select the sample message to be synchronized by checking the checkbox. Step 3. Click Sync. Set up conversation dividing. Nobi San integrates the conversation dividing feature. You just need to turn on the way you want to divide the conversation. The conversation undivided, all users can see every conversation since this mode was set up. Self-assigned staff. Staff can see all the conversations they manage. Staff receive conversations by assigning managers to themselves. Automatic division by unlimited sequential. Automatic division by limited sequential order. Self-receiving conversations. Self-receiving conversations. Now we will go back to the general settings to set up conversation dividing. Here, Nobi San will support you in dividing conversations according to a number of advanced functions such as the conversations undivided, self-assigned staff, automatic division by unlimited sequential, automatic division by limited sequential, and self-receiving conversations. Besides, you can easily customize conversation recall time. Specifically, with the self-assigned staff function, you can set up the time to recall comments after a period of time, and the time to recall the inbox as well. For example, the maximum number of times the conversation is divided is 25 according to your wishes. When you use the automatic division by limited sequential feature, you can set the time to recall comments and inboxes. Besides, with the time to receive the conversation, we can set it according to the given time frame and divide it among the assigned staff. In particular, Nobi San has a priority function that divides conversations into many categories, such as type of conversation, staff, department, and time. This feature will maximize the performance of employees or departments. For example, for employees with higher performance, more work, you can split more conversations. Especially with the automatic division by unlimited sequential feature, you can prioritize dividing conversations by shift, staff, or department, by time, date, and so on. After the installation is complete, click on Save Settings. Conversation tags. Nobi San supports users to set up conversation cards. To add a new card, at the Conversation Card tab interface, please follow these steps. Step 1. Click Add Card. Step 2. Enter information into the form, including Name card. Choose your card color. Step 3. Click Add. To synchronize the conversation tags with other shops, you can use the Synchronize feature. The steps are as follows. Step 1. Click Sync. Step 2. Enter the information in the request form, including, choose Sync from the shop. Select the destination shop to sync. Select the tag to sync by checking the checkbox in front of the card. Step 3. Click Sync. Block list. Here displays a list of all blocked shop users. To block a user, you need to go to Shopee Chat. Click the Block User button as shown below. Filter messages. Here you can set up keywords to mark these as banned keywords. When the content contains these keywords, the system will not create messages automatically and won't send messages to customers. In this video, I have guided you to use and fully exploit the features in Nobi San. I hope this gives you the best experience when using the software. For any questions or comments, please contact the fan page, email, web, hotline. Thank you for watching.